I love it. I think it's, as I say, it stands out. I love the finish on that. It's exciting.
My name's Danny. I'm from Upvc Spray Painters, and we're here on this property of Gale Leeds Rhinos, rugby player. He's just at training at the moment. He's got a final at Wembley Stadium in just under 2 days. We're going to transform all the PVCs from white to anthracite grey. So if you go around the front, I can show you how the lads are cracking on with the job. This downstairs window, he's gone over and cleaned this. He's masking it now. When the window opens, again, we'll clean the inside lip, scotch the inside lip, and then spray the inside lip as well, so nothing gets missed. Hi Luke, you alright?
How we doing, mate?
Yeah,
Alright?
good, thanks, good. So yeah, we're here at your property, getting these windows and doors sprayed for you. What made you want to, get something like this done?
I see you guys a lot on Instagram, and a couple of friends have had it done, especially on the white render. I love the colour, the anthracite grey.
Yeah.
I think I jumped in the DM. Jumped in the DM, and yeah, we come and sorted it. I love it. I think it's, as I say, it stands out. I love the finish on that. It's exciting. Yes. And all in good time as well. Yeah. All in good time. Yeah. Must have been here a couple of hours. It looks class. Very happy, lads. Well done.